Igbo Bigbo ekene m unu na-asị nke onye chiri ya zero ka ime. Hi and welcome back to Igbo Online College. Yeah, I've been away for so long. My dears, it's been hectic here. Yeah, I do a 9 to 5 and my work was taking its toll on me, so I had to give it a break, and we are back. We are fully back. Yes. So I would like you to help me comment down below. Give me suggestions. What would you like to learn in Igbo? What would you like to learn? So that I will not just be doing blind teaching. I'll just teach you anything I feel like. What would you like to learn? Okay, I will drop this quick one with you. Onye ụnọ ya na-agba ọkụ ada achụ oke. Onye ụnọ ya na-agba ọkụ ade achụ oke. He whom his house is burning does not chase rats. That's the meaning of that proverb. Onye ụnọ ya na-agba ọkụ ada achụ oke. If your house is burning, you don't chase rats. Of course, there is no need. If ọkụkọ na-akwa. Ọkụkọ. So, if your house is burning, you don't chase rats. Onye ụnọ ya na-agba ọkụ adị achụ oke. Ọ dị mma. I'll see you in my next video. Ka emesịa.